We have three categories. काही गाल सबनी खबर है काही ही शे कीमोसेलेक्टिव, रेडियोसेलेक्टिव, स्टेरोसेलेक्टिव क्या होगा इनका आपको वक्त बदलूंगा। तो इन्होंने प्रॉब्लम इनमें फांसी गाल इतनी गाल समझो ना मुझे। Now we are starting with the chemoselective, regioselective and stereoselective. One of the point is which is more important, that is all pericyclic reactions. The most important thing for the pericyclic reaction, all pericyclic reactions, they are the stereospecific. Just note this thing. All pericyclic reactions are stereospecific. That is, A compound always gives the B compound. A dash compound always gives the B dash compound. This is stereospecific. If we say A compound is giving the B compound, A dash is also giving the B, it is stereoselective. Otherwise, if A gives A dash, B gives B dash.
Sir, video na PH.
Video na PH. ये अच्छा निकाला उन्हें 8 थी ना 8 से तो वीडियो की थी उन्हें पास थी उन्हें जब वो 8 लाके उन्हें वीडियो पास थी उन्हें आने आई
ना सर ना
जी सर आई हले जी
आई
जैसा
हाँ सर आई सर
now for example we have two compounds. Number one compound, it is acetaldehyde. If you reduce the acetaldehyde with hydrogen and nickel, or hydrogen plus platinum, or hydrogen plus palladium, it is known as catalytic reduction. Acetaldehyde is also known as ethanol. So now if it is reduced, which product is obtained? Ethanol. CH3, CH2, OH. It is vice versa. If ethanol is oxidized, we will get the acetaldehyde. If acetaldehyde is reduced, ethanol is produced. Similarly, for example, acetic acid. If acetic acid is reduced with hydrogen and nickel, or hydrogen and platinum, or hydrogen and palladium, then first the acetaldehyde is obtained and the final stage is ethanol. But instead of this, another reagent which can be used, it is the lithium aluminum hydride. Either hydrogen plus metal, that is palladium, platinum or nickel, or lithium aluminum hydride. Along with this is not metal hydride reducing agent. Along with this we can use sodium borohydride. Now if you compare the reactivity, lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive than the sodium borohydride. But lithium aluminum hydride has one side effect, that is it cannot be used easily in aqueous solutions, where sodium borohydride can be used. The reactivity is concerned, sodium borohydride is less reactive than lithium aluminum hydride. And lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive than the sodium borohydride. Now for example, if we have compound, now for example, if we have compound which contain two functional groups. Now say this is carboxylic acid, acetic acid. If I convert this into methyl ester, now this will be known as methyl acetate. If methyl acetate is reduced, with lithium aluminum hydride, we will get the ethanol. But it is not easily reduced with the sodium borohydride. Whereas if you reduce acetaldehyde with sodium borohydride, it is easily reduced to the ethanol. Due to its reacting power, reducing power, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce the carboxylic acid in form of ester, or it can reduce the aldehyde or ketone into alcohol. Whereas the sodium borohydride can only reduce the aldehyde or ketone, but it is not easily reducing the ester. For example, if we have compound which contain both groups, say now here it is known as cyclohexanone. If put 1, 2, 3, 4 position, At the fourth position, you put your ester group. Now this compound, this was cyclohexanone. Now without this, it is known as cyclomethyl cyclohexyl carboxylate. Or without this, it is known methyl ester of cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. In other words, we can say cyclohexyl formic acid. Methyl ester of cyclohexyl methanoic acid or formic acid. Now this contains the both groups, that the ester group as well as the ketonic group. Ketonic group is the carbonyl group. So now if we reduce this compound with the lithium aluminum hydride, the lithium aluminum hydride is powerful reducing agent in presence of water. So what happens? Both compounds, that is carbonyl group and ester group, both will be reduced. That is, now ketonic group or aldehyde group, they are reduced to the alcoholic group. There is cyclohexyl alcohol. Again, this will also be reduced into CH2OH. Now this ester group, CH2OH. So now we will have this compound. Both groups, both are reduced. That is, both are converted into alcohols. If we use the lithium aluminum hydride, that is the powerful reducing agent. Now what will be the name of this compound? Now this compound is known as now. Here we can say, if you say the cyclohexane is the parent compound. Now I'm not giving the more time on the nomenclature, just only one possible name. Here it is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is the parent compound. Now these 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the two branchings. We can give the name when we give the parent compound as the CH2OH, ROH. But now easiest way is, now cyclohexane is the parent compound. These are the two branches which are lying at the 1,4 position. So we say it is 4 hydroxymethyl, 1 hydroxy, or only 4 hydroxymethyl cyclohexanone, or 4 hydroxymethyl hydroxycyclohexane. This is the one product when we reduce this compound with the, and what is this compound? Say 1, 2, 3, 4. It is methyl ester of cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Again, this is keto. If you give the position now alpha, beta, gamma, we can also call it the beta keto. It is methyl beta keto cyclohexyl formic acid, or methyl ester of gamma keto cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, or methyl ester of beta keto cyclohexyl formic acid or methanoic acid. Same compound produced with the sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is less reactive than the lithium aluminum hydride. So it is only reducing that is ketonic group. This ester group will not be reduced just like this one. So now here we will get the compound. Here OH, and this remain as it is. Ester group remain as it is, but now only this is reduced. Means now actually what is happening? It is chemoselective. In chemoselective, we are just reacting, we are performing the reaction only one functional group. Other functional group is just protected. So now when we use sodium borohydride, then we get this compound. Means now if you say stereo-specific, if you carry out the stereo-specificity, then if you use this one, only sodium borohydride, we will get this compound. That is now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hydroxy cyclohexyl methyl carboxylate. That is methyl ester of 4 hydroxy cyclohexyl formic acid. Different names are there. If you use this one, lithium aluminum hydride, then we get this compound. So if you see only use one, it is stereo specific. If you both, then this will be stereo selective. Means if you want to just only one compound, then stereo selective. For example, I am giving another example. Here actually it is stereo selective. When there are more than one products are possible, maybe one product will be the major product that will be in the larger yield, another will be lower yield. Whenever possibility of formation of more than one product is taken place, then that will be known as stereo selective. If either so now when there is possibility of formation of more than one product, then maybe there may be 50-50, or maybe one is 99%, another 1%. Sometimes one 90%, another 10%. Then that is known as stereo selective. But if only one product is obtained, then that will be a chemo selective. For example, if we have benzene or cyclohexyl carbon, simple, we say here. Now this contains carboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, cyclohexane 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. First you convert it into methyl ester. How the carboxylic acids are converted into ester? Just by treating with the alcohol. जी बाबा, हेलो, क्या बाबा, हेलो, कुछ चाहिए था बाबा?
No sir, no sir.
Continue.
Now carboxylic acid can be converted into ester. How we can convert into ester? Just by treating with the alcohol. So now easily carboxylic acids are converted into methyl. Simplest ester is the methyl ester. If you treat with the methyl alcohol in presence of few drops of mineral acid, then this will be converted into diester. That here carboxyl methyl, here methyl. Here methyl. So now dimethyl ester of cyclohexane 1,2-carboxylic acid. Now when we have this ester, now if you treat this ester with the lithium aluminum hydride, then what happens? Lithium aluminum hydride. Only the compound obtained, this will be CH2OH. No any other compound is obtained. We can call it 1,2. That is 1,2-dihydroxy dimethyl cyclohexane. Only one product is obtained. That is known as, it is chemoselective. Just it is reacting over the just here ester group. If for example, if we put here double bond also, then double bond will not be affected. Just it is reacting over only one functional group. If specifically one functional group is reduced or affected, then it is chemoselective. Chemospecific. And if the product is only one, if the product's number of products is more than one, then it is chemoselective. And one will be higher yield, another will be lower yield. One will be lower yield, another will be higher yield. But there will be possibility of production of more than one product. If only one product is obtained, it is chemospecific. If the more than one products are possible, maybe one is in lower percentage, another will be higher percentage, then this will be the chemoselective. When there is selectivity, that is more than one product, it is chemoselective. If only one product is obtained, it is chemospecific. And chemoselective or chemospecific means when it is affected by only one functional group. When the attacking reagent is affecting only one chemical, that is one functional group. Is it okay now? Can we come to
sir, जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ना example.
हाँ?
Sir, please repeat the chemospecific and chemoselective.
Chemoselective or specific means when there are possibility of affecting the functional group. When functional group is present in any compound. If the number of functional groups are more than one, if we treat with any reagent, if only one product is obtained, it is chemospecific. If more than one products are obtained, one may be in lower percentage, another will be higher percentage. But if the more than one products are possible, sometimes three products. But the condition is, if more than one products are obtained, then we say by affecting the functional group. Then this is the chemoselective. Again I am repeating. when there is multiple functional groups are present in a compound, and if you treat with any chemic reagent, then if only one functional group is affected and the number of products is only one, then we say it is chemo specific. If the number of products is more than one, that is 2 or 3, then we say it is chemo selective. Only one product, chemo specific. More than one, chemo selective. Is it okay? Chemo selective, the one point, it is always affect functional group is affected. By affecting the functional group, if we are treating with any reagent, if 2 products or more than one product are there, it is chemo selective. If only one product are there, it is chemo specific. Is it okay now?
सर ये ऊपर जो एकदम लिखा है कीमो सिलेक्टर का, उसका ये नाम तो रिपीट कर रहे हैं।
ये अगर 2 प्रोडक्ट बन रही है तो ये कीमो सेलेक्टिव है। अगर एक प्रोडक्ट ओनली दैट इज कीमो स्पेसिफिक।
तो उसके पॉसिबल नाम
इसमें अगर
ऊपर वाले के,
हाँ
पॉसिबल नाम नाला देखे ना सर,
नाम यार तो कौन से वाले रिएक्टेंट का प्रोडक्ट का?
ये सर रिएक्टेंट का
इसका एक तो ये होगा, देखो if we say cyclohexane is parent compound, then cyclohexane is parent compound means we have 2 branches, one is keto or oxo, another is ester group. So now it is known as, now here methoxylyl 1 and 4 position, 4 position is keto or oxo, and at this position methoxylyl group, methoxylyl, keto, cyclohexane. 1 methoxylyl, 4 keto or 4 oxo, cyclohexane. Another possible is, we say when we say cyclohexanone, then we say at the 4 position 4 methoxylyl cyclohexanone. But if you say this is the ester of cyclohexane carboxylic acid or cyclohexyl methanoic acid or cyclohexyl formic acid. So now in this case we say at this position 4 keto or 4 oxo cyclohexyl methyl ester of methanoic acid or just carboxylic acid, 4 keto or gamma keto, it is also gamma, alpha, beta, gamma keto or 4 keto or 4 oxo cyclohexyl methyl ester of formic acid, or just only say methyl ester of 4 oxo cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, or methyl ester of gamma keto cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. This is the reactant. Now product, now here product, if you say cyclohexane is the parent compound, then 2 branches, one is hydroxymethyl, another is hydroxy group, both are lying in the 1,4 position. So we say 1 hydroxy, 4 hydroxymethyl cyclohexane, or we can say here 1,4 position. Now in this case, if you say it is cyclohexanone, then this will be the 4 position, 4 hydroxymethyl cyclohexanone or 4 hydroxymethyl cyclohexyl alcohol. Similarly, we can say it now here alpha. Now at this position this is methanol. If it is methanol, then this group will be whole will be branch. 4 hydroxy cyclohexyl methanol or 4 hydroxy cyclohexyl methyl alcohol. These are the all possible names of these compounds. Similarly here, it is same compound like just like this one, but here is the ester. जी
सर यो हेठियां तो हम डबल बॉन्ड कयो है सफा लास्ट वारे में ही हेठ यो सर छो कयो है माना हेडा चेंज न तो थी सके कि ते एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन.
Good question. If we treat here with hydrogen and platinum or nickel, hydrogen plus platinum or palladium or nickel, now this will be known as
reduction,
catalytic reduction.
Yes sir.
In this case all double bond and all will reduce. Double bond as well as ester group will be reduced. But if you use instead of this lithium aluminum hydride, then it will not affect the double bond. Just it will only reduce the ester group. समझ में आई? If you use the hydrogen plus metals, then double bond as well as ester group will be reduced. But if you use lithium aluminum hydride, then only ester groups will be reduced, but double bond will not be reduced.
जी
Okay?
सर समझे जी सर
हाँ इनके स्पेसिफिक ठाए दूंगा सिलेक्टेड ठाए दूंगा जिसे लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड ठायो उसे सिर्फ एस्टर ग्रुप रिड्यूस व्हेन यू यूज कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन ऑल ग्रुप्स विल बी रिड्यूस बिकॉज़ दिस इज जनरल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट so these are the examples of chemo selective chemo specific now we are coming to the regio selective or regio specific जी बाबा
डबल बॉन्ड है इन जगह ते अगर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जगह ते एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप हो जाए डबल बॉन्ड उन कंजुगेशन में हो जाए तो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड
किथे था जो
सर ये जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जे स्ट्रक्चर ते चाहे गला है इन जगह ते जगने असा जो बेंजल्डिहाइड ग्रुप हो जाए
हिते हिनन दे
जी सर
हिनन ते हिते
डबल बॉन्ड उन कंजुगेशन में हो जाए
मसलन ही हो जाए इतने डबल बॉन्ड नहीं होता
डबल बॉन्ड में कंजुगेशन में हो जाए छा डबल बॉन्ड इतने रिड्यूस थींदी
सिर्फ जेकर वरी सागे जेकर मेटल हाइड्राइड यूज करना थी तो सिर्फ एल्डिहाइड रिड्यूस थींदो जेकर हाइड्रोजन प्लस मेटल यूज करना तो सब रिड्यूस थींदो गाल समझ में आई मेटल हाइड्राइड्स आर ओनली यूज्ड मोस्टली they are used to convert the aldehydes ester simple esters methyl esters to convert them into the alcohols although in some cases when we do the multiple ester reactions then sometimes using specific conditions we can use the lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent for conversion of ketonic group sometimes aldehyde group sometimes double bond but specifically otherwise when there is a choice double bond plus aldehyde group then only aldehyde group will be reduced that is here we will get this compound for example this compound it will be known as 1,2-cyclohexene or cyclohexene 1,2-dialdehyde or 1,2-dial cyclohexene 1,2-dial or dialdehyde and if you use your hydrogen plus platinum then we'll get this one cyclohexane 1,2-dial if lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride then cyclohexene 1,2-dial if you use catalytic reduction that is the hydrogen plus metal then we'll get this one cyclohexane 1,2-dial 1,2-dial or 1,2-dialdehyde is it okay बाबा सही है
यस सर
हाँ लगते हो तुम
यस
now we are coming to the regio selective बाबा regio selective
सर माना केमिकल से डिपेंड तो करे पण केड़ो केमिकल यूज कयूं था
केमिकल बिल्कुल केमिकल ते डिपेंड तो करे वो थींदो सिलेक्ट रिजियो सिलेक्टिव केड़ी ता सिलेक्टिव फंक्शनल ग्रुप ते एक्ट था कयो उन खां पोइ के केमिकल जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप केमिकल ता एक्ट कयो था और में ॾिसो प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ हिकड़ी थी मिले या हिक खां वधीक थी मिलन जेके हिक खां वधीक मिलन वो दैट विल बी नोन एज कीमो सिलेक्टिव ओनली हिकड़ी हाँ जी बाबा खबर छा थियो बाबा
सर माना जडे मल्टीपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होजन ऐं पोइ केमिकल रिएजेंट पा को यूज करियो हिकड़ो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इफेक्ट थे त पाण उनके हिकड़ो प्रोडक्ट मिले त कीमो स्पेसिफिक
न ॻाल्हि ॿुधो न हिकिड़ो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इफेक्ट थिए या हिक खां वधीक थियनि पर प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ हिकिड़ी मिले दैट विल बी कीमो सिलेक्टिव कीमो स्पेसिफिक जे प्रोडक्ट हिक खां वधीक थियूं मिलनि मिसाल तौर हिक में फंक्शनल ग्रुप 4-5 आहिनि में 4-5 इफेक्ट थींदा पर प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ हिकिड़ी थी मिले दैट विल बी कीमो स्पेसिफिक जे उनमें साॻी 4-5 इफेक्ट थींदा पर प्रोडक्ट ॿ पॉसिबिलिटी थी मिलनि हिकिड़ो ए थो मिले ॿियो ए ॾेई थो मिले that will be electro selective sorry chemo selective या अॻिते तव्हां ही सही करे था वठूं पोइ थी सघो तव्हां पिक्चर क्लियर थिए सही करे वठूं सही रिजियो सिलेक्टिव सिलेक्ट करे वठूं त पोइ तव्हां ॾिसो मथां थी सघो तव्हांखे ॻाल्हि सम्झ में अचे वधीक बहितर अचे सम्झ में ही तव्हां सही करे वठूं पोइ तव्हां वधीक थी सघो सम्झ में अचे अॻिते कयां अॻिते ॾिसो अॻिते तव्हां वधीक सम्झ में अची वञे अगते वधूंगा मां
जी सर.
regio selective यो chemo selective regio selective means in which direction the reaction is going, that is at which site the reaction is taking place. Just here position of the reaction, point of reaction, at which point the reaction is taking place. Simplest example we have done. For example, we have this, it is propene. Okay, if propene is treated with hydrogen bromide, which compound is obtained?
Bromo.
Huh? Now there are two possibilities. We'll get here 3 or we can have this CH3 CH2 CH2Br, A and B. There are two possibilities.
Yes, sir.
Now we say here it is regioselective means at which region? This is the region. This is one region, another region. Two regions are there. Now we have to give the direction to the reagent that attach on which carbon, either on this carbon or in this carbon. These are the two regions. So now, if by attacking on at any functional group, any region, if you direct the reagent to react on any point, if you are getting more than one product, it is known as regioselective. If only one product is obtained, it is a regiospecific. Now here, if this situation takes place, then what we have to do? How we can decide that either both products are obtained or one product is obtained? This depends upon the formation of carbonium ions. In one case, primary carbonium ion is primary, that is normal propyl carbonium ion is produced. Another case, secondary propyl carbonium ion is produced. So when secondary propyl carbonium ion and primary carbonium ion produced, which one is more stable?
Secondary.
Secondary. It means secondary means hydrogen will be added on this carbon. Secondary carbonium ion and bromide will be added on this one. So this will be the major product. And there is rule in the addition. Which rule is we have to follow in addition? Markovnikov. Simplest famous rule is Markovnikov rule. If addition is carried out, then Markovnikov rule will be followed. That when there is a possibility of addition of one unsymmetrical reagent to the unsymmetrical alkene, then that product will be obtained in which the hydrogen or electropositive portion will be attached to that carbon which already bears more number of so abida hikro I tell 6S15 pro your target pa student hai ya yo kya hai
सर यो आऊं है वकार मुझे बैटरी खत्म थी बे मोबाइल से ज्वाइन करवा
पंजे हो ना ठीक है बस ठीक ताओ के मुझे कंफर्म कर नाउ दिस यू सी हियर it is propene. When propene is now again an unsymmetrical alkene, it is simple reaction of alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene react with the unsymmetrical reagent, there will be possibility of formation of two products. Now which that product will be formed as a major product, in which the hydrogen or electropositive portion of the reagent is attached to that carbon which already bears more number of hydrogen. Now here number of hydrogen is 2, here 1. So in according to rule, the hydrogen is added to this carbon which already bears more number of hydrogen. So this will be the major product. It means now this is the regioselective reaction. Similarly, if we have this compound is known as cyclohexene. If you treat the cyclohexene with hydrogen bromide, then what happens? Which compound is obtained? The A and B. Is there any difference between A and B? First you tell the name of these two compounds.
कोने बिनन में सारे
हाँ
So no difference.
को डिफरेंस कोने नो डिफरेंस
means I this age of the product. If this situation takes place, now region is at which region the reaction is taking place? At the double bond. The carbon, 2 carbon, 1, 2 carbon between which the double bond is present. Now at which region this reaction is taking place? At the region where the double bond. So now only one reaction.
आवाज नहीं आ रही। हेलो
Sorry?
वीडियो फ्लाई हो गई।
हाँ बाबा?
जहलिए ना
जी वीडियो पोस्ट किया और रिजॉइन करे लीव पे रिजॉइन करे
95 प्लान ना 95
हाँ here बाबा केस तो गला है। अब गला है ना गला है बेटा बोला। When there is no choice, only one product, fluorohexane. No possibility of ortho or para or beta. Only one product is possible. Then we say it is regio specific. This was the regio selective. This is the regio specific. Another example is substitution.
सर वीडियो पोस्ट किया सर
हाँ
वीडियो पोस्ट किया
8% क्या ना 8 उन्हें करके दो इनके बेटा रिएक्शन लिखिए ना
जी सर बोलो
तीसरे में बच्चे ना भाई इतरो इनके पे एग्जांपल दो जा
यस सर।
ये हमें दोनों मतलब एक ही प्रोडक्ट मिली है तो ये रीजियो स्पेसिफिक है और इससे पहले जो हमने एल्कीन वाला किया था
उसमें 2 प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल है तो वो रिजियो सेलेक्टिव है। इसमें सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट मिली है जहां भी ब्रोमीन रखे प्रोडक्ट वही मिलेगी ब्रोमोसाइक्लोहेक्सेन। तो ये हो गया ये स्पेसिफिक है। उसका और भी एग्जांपल है ये बात एक मिनट फॉर एग्जांपल ये आपने किया होगा ये कंपाउंड है ये कंपाउंड है क्या कौन सा कंपाउंड है aniline is also known as phenylamine or aminobenzene. If you acetylate it then N-acetyl aniline or it is commonly known as N-acetyl aminobenzene. Aminobenzene, aniline, phenylamine, it is one and the same thing. If you acetylate the amino group, we'll get the N-acetyl aminobenzene or N-acetyl aniline, commonly known as acetanilide. What is the difference between the aromatic amide and anilide? Aromatic amide. What is the difference between aromatic amide and anilide?
सर एरोमेटिक अमाइड में जो नाइट्रोजन होगा वो रिंग का पार्ट होगा और एनिलीन में नाइट्रोजन जो है वो रिंग से मतलब बाहर।
एक एनिलाइड दूसरा एरोमेटिक अमाइड फिर से बताओ
सर ना
हेलो आवाज आ रही है
जी 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 सर
नहीं आवाज एरोमेटिक अमाइड में क्या होता है
सर एरोमेटिक अमाइड में नाइट्रोजन जो है वो रिंग का
एरोमेटिक अमाइड में और एनिलाइड में
सर रिंग का पार्ट
बाहर होगा।
हाँ
रिंग का बाहर
एनिलाइड ना ये गलत है उल्टो का बताओ एनिलाइड में रिंग इज नाइट्रोजन इज डायरेक्टली बॉन्डेड टू द एरोमेटिक रिंग दैट इज एनिलाइड ओके फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव NH2CO
ये बॉक्स करेंगे
if you like this one this is benzamide is aromatic amide in which ring is not directly bonded to the nitrogen. This is aromatic amide. It is anilide. In anilide, the N of the amide group is directly bonded to the aromatic ring. That is known as anilide. In aromatic amide, it is not necessary that the ring is directly bonded to the nitrogen. Sometimes we have this one. For example, this benzenilide. In benzenilide, ring is attached to the nitrogen as well as ring is attached to the carbonyl group. So this is the aromatic amide. It is anilide. We can say it is not only aromatic amide, but anilide. Without this, it is not anilide. It is not anilide because now the ring is not directly attached to the amino group. Now, there are three types of groups. In further electrophilic substance, sir. Now here we have two compounds. You have studied the electrophilic substitution of aromatic compound. There are three categories: strongly ring activating groups, moderately ring activating groups, and mild activating group, ring activating groups. Okay, so now the amino group, hydroxy group, alkoxy group, amino group and hydroxy group, these are the strongly ring activating group. Alkoxy group, amido group, N-dimethyl amino group, these are the moderately ring activating groups. All
No, sir, allergy, sir. Allergy.
Again, I am repeating. There are three types of groups, three categories in electrophilic substitution of aromatic substitution. If you add one group, an aromatic ring, benzene ring, then if you want to further carry out the electrophilic substitution, then the incoming group will depend, the position at which the incoming group will come. This depends upon the nature of one group which is already present in the benzene ring. So now this group we can direct the another incoming group to attach at these position. For example, if you have ring, then if one position is already occupied, then other positions will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6 position will be ortho position. 3, 5 position will be meta position. 4th position will be para position. Means 1 para position, 2 ortho positions, and 3 meta positions. Now, if one group is already there, if electrophile, another incoming electrophile comes, then this will attach on either these are the ortho positions or meta positions or para positions. This depends upon the nature of one group which is already present. Now, here this group can be of two types generally, either electron donating or electron attracting. If it is electron attracting, then the incoming group will be attached to the meta positions. That is why all electron attracting, they are known as meta directors or meta directing groups. If it is electron donating group, then the incoming group will be attached at the ortho positions or para positions. That is why we call them as ortho para directors or ortho para directing groups. Now here when we have and these are also known as ortho para directing are also known as electron donating groups or ring activating groups. These groups are of three types: either strongly ring activating group, or moderately ring activating group, or mild ring activating groups. Alkyl groups, they are mild ring activating group. Alkoxy group and alkyl amides, these groups are the moderately ring activating groups. Hydroxy group, amino group, these are the strongly ring activating group. Now, if this amino group, it is strongly ring activating group. But if you acetylate it, now we have converted into the amino group and amide. Amino group, these are the moderately ring activating group. So now, if acetylide, if it is treated with the bromine, if you carry out the bromination of acetylide, which compound will be formed? Two compounds will be formed. One will be the ortho-bromo acetanilide, another will be para-bromo acetanilide. Okay, means two products will be obtained, but the para product will be major product. The percentage of para-bromo acetanilide will be more as compared to this ortho product. This will be minor. So now in this case, this reaction will be known as regio-selective because there are formation of more than one product. Have you got this point?
Yes.
Similarly, if we have only benzene, for example, if you brominate the benzene, then which compound is obtained? If you brominate the benzene, then which compound is obtained? Bromobenzene?
Bromobenzene, yes, sir.
Okay, bromobenzene is obtained. Now, if bromobenzene, if further brominated, Here acetanilide when brominated, we have got the orthobromoacetanilide and para-bromoacetanilide. The para-bromoacetanilide is the major product and this is minor product. But instead, if you bromobenzene brominate, then bromo group is
again two.
paradactyl, but it is ring activating. Here in this case, only one product obtained. Although it is orthoparadactyl, but there will be only one product, just parad, because it is not so activating just like this one. So now this will be the stereo specific. Again, for example, if more easy example, if I write here like this one, this compound is known as, it is more easy understandable product. This compound is known as,
If
nitration, if you carry out the nitration of benzene, then which compound is obtained?
nitrobenzene.
Nitrobenzene. If you carry out the further bromination of nitrobenzene, then which compound is obtained now?
Then
Metabromonitrazine.
Huh?
Metabromonitrazine.
Metabromonitrazine. Only one product. There is no possibility of formation of another product. So now we can call it the regio specific. At which region the reaction is the electrophile is attached at the meta position. And now there is no possibility of formation of another product. So now we call this is the regio specific and this is the regio selective. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now remaining is the stereo selective and stereo specific.
Yes, sir.
You have already done these reactions. So now we are coming to the stereo selective. As I told you, all the reactions, all pericyclic reactions, they are stereo specific. All pericyclic reactions, either they are electrocyclic reactions or cycloaddition reactions or sigmatropic reactions. We will do in detail, but you must know what is stereo selective. A simplest example, we have already done SN1 and SN2. You know SN1 and SN2? For example, we have this compound. This compound is known as tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. If you treat with a sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, which compound is obtained?
Tertiary butyl alcohol.
Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay. And again, if you treat the methyl bromide, same type of reaction. If you treat with the sodium hydroxide,
Methanol
then which compound? Methyl bromide. Only the bromine is replaced by the OH group. This is a simple reaction. But now, what will be the effect on the stereochemistry?
सर पाथ चेंज थींदो अचो जो मथियों असां वटि रिएक्शन आहे SN1 सां ईंदो हेठियों SN2 आहे
This is SN1, this is SN2. So in this case, configuration is retained. In this case, configuration is inverted. But here you see this reaction is taking place in two steps. First, the formation of carbonamide. Second, the attack of incoming nucleophile. So once the carbonamide is produced, carbonamide is split. Majority of the OH will attack from the same side, but a few of the OH will also attack from the opposite side. So we say major product will be the retention, but few, that is 10% or 5% will be the inversion. So along with retention, there will be inversion. And we know that whenever retention and inversion, they take place simultaneously, then which products obtained?
Racemic mixture.
Racemic mixture are obtained. So now we say retention plus inversion plus racemization. But here 100% inversion will take place. Now here there is selectivity. So we say it is stereo selective, it is stereo specific. When there is no possibility of formation of more than one product, it is stereo specific, but it is stereo selective. Now there are more examples. Pyruvic acid. What is pyruvic acid? Pyruvic acid is also known as pyruvic acid. Let me write for हिंदी में बताया बाबा, हिंदी में बताया।
सर ये समझो ना, stereo selective and stereo selective समझा देते सर यो।
SN1 is the stereo selective, SN2 is the stereo specific, because in SN2 there is only one product formed with the inversion of configuration. 100% inversion will take place. In this case more than
So repeat कीजिए, SN1 क्या है? stereo
selective, SN2 is the stereo specific. I got something, because there is possibility of inversion as well as, although more, say 90% will be the retention, maybe 5% will be the 5 or 10% will be the inversion, and so means little amount also will be the racemization will also be there. Retention, inversion and racemization. Here only inversion, because the attack is only taking place from the back side, and when there is attack from back side take place, the product obtained will have the inverted configuration. Whenever inverted configuration takes place, always there will be inversion. That is, the attack takes place from the back side. So now the reaction will be product will be only stereo specific. Here there is formation of possibility of more than one product. Retention, inversion, that is racemization. That is why now this SN1 is the stereo selective and SN2 is the stereo specific. Now sometimes,
Yes sir, सही है सर।
ठीक है, हिंदी में बताया बाबा?
Yes sir.
Now pyruvic acid. Another example is pyruvic acid. You know pyruvic acid? No, pyruvic acid. Okay, let me write one more compound. A geometrical acid. This compound is known as
Butane.
2-butane sir.
If you keep with the hydrogen plus nickel or platinum or palladium, then which compound is obtained?
Sorry, butane.
Parent stage में 2-butene butane.
Final product will be
Butane.
butane. ठीक, okay. But now if you treat with this Lindelof catalyst, that is hydrogen plus palladium in the presence of calcium carbonate or barium sulfate, and quinoline is used as a liquid, the solvent. That is Lindelof catalyst. It is a specific catalyst. Then what happens?
2-butene produced.
The good, yes. The reaction will be stopped.
Reaction stops at butene.
But now here the two products are obtained. One will be the cis, another will be the trans.
Symmetrical twins.
But now, what is the cis will be the major product, and this trans will be the minor product. Now, this reaction will be known as stereo specific because only one product is obtained. But in this case, if you use Lindelof catalyst, then two products are obtained, cis and trans. Although the cis is in higher yield, higher percentage. So this is known as stereo selective. This is stereo
Specific.
Again, if you treat this with the sodium in liquid ammonia, if this same compound is treated with the sodium in liquid ammonia plus ethanol, then same product will be obtained. But in this case, the trans product will be the major product. Now, overall reaction, then it will be stereo specific, because if you want to prepare, if you carry out the reaction, both products are obtained. Cis plus trans, formula will be same. If you want to prepare the compound which cis must be in the major product, then you carry out the reaction with the Lindelof catalyst. If you want to prepare the product in which trans must be in the higher yield, then you carry out this reaction. It means overall reaction will be the stereospecific, but each reaction is selective. जी बाबा,
ट्रांस में कौन सी कंडीशन यूज करेंगे जब ट्रांस मेजर प्रोडक्ट हो?
तो ये होगा लिक्विड अमोनिया, सोडियम इन लिक्विड अमोनिया इन इथेनॉल. इथेनॉल विल बी यूज्ड एज द सॉल्वेंट, सोडियम मेटल इन लिक्विड अमोनिया, sodium metal in liquid ammonia plus ethanol. The same products will be obtained, but major product will be the trans.
Okay, sir.
So ये भी stereo selective है, ये भी stereo selective है, because in both cases the two products are obtained. But overall reaction means this isomer is giving one product, the two butene. This product as well as giving this product. This depend upon us which product we want to prepare in major product. When we have control in our that we can prepare either this or this, then overall reaction will be the stereo specific. Otherwise, each reaction is stereo selective because in both the cases more than one products are obtained. Is it okay? Now, is it clear? Regioselective, chemoselective, and stereoselective and specific reactions?
Yes, sir.
सर सिंपल हाइड्रोजनेशन में तो एक ही प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन होगी ना?
वो तो स्टेरियो स्पेसिफिक हो जाएगा. मैंने बताया सिंपल करेंगे तो स्टेरियो स्पेसिफिक है, और ये दोनों रिएक्शन मिला के कहेंगे ये भी स्टेरियो स्पेसिफिक है, लेकिन ईच रिएक्शन इंडिविजुअल अलग अलग रिएक्शन ये भी स्टेरियो सेलेक्टिव है, ये भी स्टेरियो सेलेक्टिव है. जहां भी एक से ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल हो वो हम कहेंगे स्टेरियो सेलेक्टिव.
सर सिंपल कैटालिसिस,
हां
जेकी सिंपल हाइड्रोजनेशन पाण कंदासीं उन जे अंदर पहिरीं पाण 2 इन मिल वो पंहिंजो ब्यूटेन मिली वेंदो, मींस के पहिरीं ब्यूट में कन्वर्ट थींदो.
इन ते स्टॉप करे कोन कोन इन सिंपल हाइड्रोजनेशन जे कंदासीं रिएक्शन स्टॉप थींदो ई कोन. ऑल्दो जॾहिं पाण मैकेनिज्म ॾिसंदा रिएक्शन पास थींदो थ्रू अल्कीन जे, बट डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट जेका ठहंदी वञे सा अल्केन में ठहंदी. हिननि ॿिन्ही रिएक्शन जेका अल्कीन ते बीह रहंदी हुनमें पाण कंट्रोल करे कोन था सघूं जो कॾहिं हिकु. हां
मैकेनिज्म ॾिसूं त अल्कीन ठहे थो पर हूअं अल्कीन नथो ठहे छो त ही अनस्टॉपेबल हूंदी आहिनि कि पाण स्टॉप करे ई नथा सघूं जेसिताईं खत्म नथी करे. हुनमें हिसाब थींदो आख़िर अल्केन ठहंदो ई कोन, अल्कीन ते हिसाब थी वेंदो. त फाइनल डिस्ट्रॉय पाण सिर्फ़ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. हिननि में फाइनल जेको डायरेक्ट कंदासीं हाइड्रोजन प्लस निकल आहे उनमें डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट ठहंदी अल्केन. हाणे पाण ॾिसी कोन था सघूं हिन में जेका प्रोडक्ट ठहंदी अल्कीन, छो त अल्केन में सिस ट्रांस हूंदो ई कोन्हे. हिननि में सिस ट्रांस आहे. जॾहिं सिस ट्रांस आहे त जियोमेट्रिकल जियोमेट्रिकल एक्सेस ठहंदा उहो असां ख़बर पई हुन में आहे ई कोन. असां कीअं ख़बर पई सिस वधीक आहे या आइसो आहे उहे पंहिंजो वटां. ठीकु आहे. ठीकु सर.
हाणे ॿ शइ हुनजो रहियल पर हाणे थकी पिया हुआ, पाण थकी पियो हाणे.
ठीकु सर. सुभाणे
था कयूं इनशाला. अलाह ख़ैर कयूं.
ठीकु ठीकु.
ठीकु.